go. So if I've clicked on the wrong link. So we want to go to the submission page for this entry as well. Close this down. Let's mark these, saying that we've played them. And save. I miss making games recreationally. Well, that's really nice that you found that out through doing the jam, dude. I completely agree with you. It's a really nice habit to have, but it's just, I think a lot of game devs, it'd be really helpful, I think, if we could come up with like a set of realistic expectations for hobby projects for devs, because we always think we'll start a game and turn it into a full game, and maybe sometimes that's a bit ambitious. Or maybe even the scope of the game, we try and make a game similar to these AAA games, or even like proper big indie games that have been, you know, taken years to make. So yeah, it'd be nice to kind of come up with some guidelines to help devs come up with a healthy approach to hobbyist dev. Yeah, and the difficult thing is you don't want to lose your passion for work, like what you work on work then, right? Just because you're really excited to do your own projects as well, so... But yeah, that's why I'm trying to do my daily dev streams at the moment, just so I tick away a little bit on Kattenberg always. But yeah, alrighty, cool. So let's have a look at this game then. So WSAD for movement, space to jump, and shift to dash, R to reset. A tribute to Celeste. Ah, I like Celeste. AAA games, more like triple meg games. Am I right? Or am I right? Well done, Booksnail. Well done. You speak up. You sound like you've got a flame in one hand and the pitchfork ready on the other. Okay. We are ready. If it's not downloadable, no, it isn't. So we want to get this and open it in Edge. And let's enjoy Zang's game. Dan Jam. Okay, so I am green square. Jump is space. USAD. Where am I? Oh. Oh, nice. Okay, so you can jump against walls and kind of like drag down them and then jump off in the same way Celeste works. And you can't just endlessly jump up and up and up. Oh, and if you jump off with force, you can get a proper bit of... Nice, okay. So if I'm just jump, yeah, if I'm holding left and I just jump, I do that sort of thing. But if I push the other side just as I go to jump, I can get a right boost off, which feels good. Why do you use Chrome if it's so bad? I mean, it works fine for my other needs, and I think it's just because it's my Google account is what I use on my phone. It feels like I have my favorites and visit sites kind of set up on it, and it doesn't bother me enough to want to change, but it's a fair question. Okay, so where am I? Ooh, camera pan, let's go. Where am I going? Ooh, jumps got steeper. I need to be careful. Why? Don't those red mountains... I know this, Bikes. Don't those red mountains look tempting? Oh gosh, that was close. That was close. Ah, where's the grace? I was hoping... Ash, the classic grace period jump. Where is your collider? Is it just past the middle? Ah, Ash. That's a nasty grace... That's a nasty jump sensor. My grounded sensor. Can't just give me one in the middle. It's nasty. I'm sorry, dude. I've made. Oh gosh, I'm genuinely trying. Oh, no. Right, jump. Uh oh. I'm struggling. Jump. I am. I wonder what. No, we're not going to get extra height through jumping like that, are we? Is there a dash? I forgot about the dash control. You can dash. Shift, is it? Oh, can you do it in the air? Oh my gosh. Silly me. Now I feel dum-dums. Thank you. Ooh, everything. I was just getting cocky because saying everything's easy now and I still fall down into the pit. So I could be jumping that way and then dash. Oh no, don't do that, Dan, silly boy. Okay, I like that. Ooh. What's going on here? How am I meant to get up there? Is there a way to... I don't feel I can climb, but maybe there's a knack to it. Oh, in any direction you said. You did say that was the hint you gave. So I gotta press up before I do it. So if you're jumping and you do it, it doesn't make you go up. You go up diagonal, I think. So if I do this and then... Hold on. No, it goes diagonal because I'm holding right and up at the same time, I think. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so if we go... Ooh, okay. Damn, come on. Yeah, okay. Jump. There you go. I think, can I use this shift as well? No. Can I use these arrows? Okay, I'm wondering if it'll be easier for me to use the... I was doing WSAD, so I'm doing WSAD, shift, and space all on the same hand. I might use the arrow keys, and then I can just do shift and jump on the other. Oh, no. Come on. Over this way. Actually, it's not helping. Okay. No. Okay, jump up. Jump up. Okay, we made it. Good. It's definitely challenging anyway. Or maybe I'm just terrible. But you get the knack of it after a while. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's a moving platform? We didn't need to wait. We don't wait for no platform. Alright, let's go. That's too high for us, isn't it? So we're going to have to dash. Yeah, now that I'm used to the dash. Oh, he says. Wait, I always start talking just as I mess up. Oh, probably the opposite way, right? Hey, Wormius. This was the game made by Zangetsushi, who's in chat, which is a tribute to Celeste. What is this? Is that my body? I'm even trying... Who is that? I found my body! Huzzah! I don't know the emote. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's a tribute to Celeste. Oh gosh, it's gone now. I've bookmarked it accidentally. We're gonna run it one more. Oh, it closed the browser. Did it close the browser when it finished? Is that the way it worked? A friend of yours. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's I'm gonna try and speed run it. You said that why do people keep speed running it, but it's just I just want to play it again and do it faster. Alrighty, let's go. I guess we kind of want to dash constantly, right? No, not that fast though. Oh, Dan, stop dashing. No. Okay, let's go, go, go. Oh, that we got time. We got time for this. We have. Just wait a sec. That should be enough. Yeah. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We need to get a timer on the screen. Go, 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 go. No, a sticky key's activated. No, my time. Too much shifting. Too much shifting. All right. Let's refresh this. There's a stopwatch on here. Alarms and clocks. Timer. Stopwatch. All right. Are we ready? No, sticky. Okay, no. We need to turn off sticky keys. Too much spamming. We'll try again. Yeah, one of those floating gems that allows a second dash. Indeed, they are always satisfying in these types of games. Right, 3, 2, 1. Come on, come on, come on. No, I jumped too early. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. It's not deathless, but it can still be a fast record. No. No. He's... No, and now he's missed the boat with this. He start again. What a waste of time. What a waste of time. Stop, restart. 3, 2, 1, go. I should be dashing between as well. That optimized strats. Here you can just jump and go across to the right. No need to. He's lost some time there, folks. He's lost some time. He's gonna. Yes, he made it. That was brave. But fortune favors the brave. Come on, dash, 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 dash. Yes, done. What's the time? 45 seconds. I'll take that. I'll take that. One death, though. I mean, it doesn't even count with a death, does it? Doesn't even count. There was one mistake, but that is acceptable. What a beautiful emote there, Ash. Okay, let's go ahead and give this some feedback as well. Thank you so much for making a game. It really means a lot to me, Ash, that you wanted to make a game and you took part. I know it's not easy to find time, especially working in games as well, dude. So appreciate it. Let's go ahead and view the submission that we've got here. I beat this in 45 seconds, but with one death. So I guess it doesn't really count. I really enjoyed Celeste. It's mechanically great. And the story is proper good. Despite the story in in your game maybe not hitting the same highs, the mechanics was still pretty on point and added an element and challenge. The downside is there was the wall jump you'd implemented, but it wasn't actually used really. Needed or you used in your level design, which was a shame because it felt quite well done. Final thought, Jerry Springer style. Put the ground check avoid using just one ground check in the center of the character. Awesome. Well, thank you very much for the game. Thank you for taking the time to make it and submit it. And thank you everyone in chat for hanging out and being involved as well while I was playing through the games. It's been nice and fun. We've had great company. And we've got through, I think, 10 or 11 games today. So that gives us 7 more games to get through. I'll get through them tomorrow night and Tuesday night, maybe Wednesday. It depends how work is. If I'm stressed after a long day, I might not do too many hours of streaming each night. But we'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, let's find someone to raid. Let's get butts out of here.